Hi, thank you for your time today to see Nexus. What you are seeing is Nexus version 1.3. This version is scheduled for release in March 2014. Nexus is built as a complete solution. All you need to do is feed the required data files, and everything else will be taken care for you, including your compliance with the new regulations. For this demo, we will start with almost an empty system and add employees as we go through the demo. We will see companies set up, load employees, complete statutory duties including communication, and also look at compliance. What you are seeing now is the main screen of Nexus. We will start by looking at the administration menu. In this part of the video, we will look at company and scheme setup.
This is the company setup and management screen. In this screen, you will be able to add new companies and manage the existing ones. If you offer auto-enrolment service, that is, if you are an independent financial advisor, employee benefit consultant, or an accountant, then you might want to create and manage multiple companies. However, if you are an employer, then you just need one company here. To add a new company, simply right-click on Company Management and select a new company. As you can see, we capture some very basic fields like company staging date, deferred staging date in case of postponement, and few other information related to auto-enrolment. We will use a fictional company called Dave Smith Technology for this demo. This company is staging on 1st of January 2014, but doing a deferment, and hence, not doing assessment until the 1st of February, which is a 1-month postponement. You will also notice that the company is willing to contribute for entitled workers when they send a joiner notice. The company has also decided to withhold contributions from the employees until the end of the opt-out period. We have also configured joiner instructions. These are instructions that non-eligible job holders and entitled workers should follow if they want to join a pension scheme on a voluntary basis. Using the Scheme Setup module, you can define the pension schemes which the company will be using to manage the enrollment process. In this case, the company has access to 2 pension schemes. The Pay Group screen allows you to define and manage multiple pay groups. To add a pay group, simply right-click and select Add New Pay Group. Firstly, you will notice we support 8 different pay frequencies, including the monthly and weekly frequencies. We also capture start date and end date of the pay reference period. The pay date is also captured, as we notice some pension schemes require you to communicate this information. When you load the employees into Nexus, you need to indicate which of these pay group they belong to. For this demo, we will load employees who belong to these predefined pay groups.
The Job Categories screen allows you to define various employee groups, like the executives, the managers, and the staff. There are 2 key reasons for managing the job categories. Nexus offers flexibility by allowing postponement at a category level. Instead of defining postponement rules at a workforce level, you can now do it at a group level. You can say executives have no postponement, while managers you can assign a 1-month postponement. For staff you can, say, assigns a 2-month postponement. You can also create an example category called probation, and postpone everyone who belongs to this category by full 3 months. This offers a great flexibility to the way you manage postponement in your organization.
You can also define contribution rates and pensionable salary at a job category level. For each category, you can define the pensionable salary. This can be all earnings, or band earnings, or basic only, or basic plus bonus. We also have a custom category if your pensionable salary definition falls outside the standard 4 definitions that we have in the product. Once the pensionable salary is defined, you can define the contribution rates. The rates are tiered based on age. At category level you can also define default auto-enrolment scheme. For example, executives can be auto-enrolled into an executive pension plan, while staff you can define Nest as the default scheme. We also have a built-in electronic document management system. This allows you to scan and store various documents that are relevant for the company. To store a document, simply browse, select, and add. You might also want to include keywords while storing the document. This makes future retrieval of the document easier. This feature is also available at scheme level and also at employee level. Scheme setup is similar to the way the company setup works. You can have as many schemes as you want. To add a new scheme, simply right-click and add. The contribution rates and pensionable salary can also be defined here instead of the category level. For example, you can say anyone who belongs to Nest scheme will pay the same rate irrespective of the category they belong to. We also take other information like type of pension scheme, tax relief method. The product will automatically include this information in the letters that go out to the employees. This is end of part 1 of the demo. Please proceed on to part 2. Part 2 covers employee import, assessment and much more.